Hi. Now we are seeing the stored procedure concept with the unconnected one. So we before that we going the mapping as with same as stored procedure connected one. So m underscore unconnected sp stored procedure. So first we get the source data like from source employees. So in this unconnected storage procedure, it is like unconnected lookup only. So we get the data from by using expression transformation. We get the data from SQL transformation. We see in this video. Before that, please like and subscribe for more Informatica videos. So now drag and drop SQL transformation. For that, we have to get the data. So go to laptop Oracle SRC. Now we get the our stored procedure sp underscore total salary. Then I am making here this one is unconnected store procedure. Okay, our input field is in underscore employee id, output field underscore salary. You have to get this information through expression transformation. So go to the expression. Here I have to create an output variable that is underscore salary plus create output field underscore total salary. Salary is decimal point. So we get this. Click on OK and go to configure. Click on configure. Error is getting underscore salary gone. So net gone in the meanwhile. May connect or not connect, we see. So click on OK and click on configure. So here uh, we take built-in functions. There we have to get stored procedure. Click on SQL, sp.SQL. So our input field is what here? Our input field is in underscore employee ID. So we have to map that in underscore employee ID with the employee ID. And the O underscore salary we have to store in the proc result. This is important. PROC underscore RESULT proc result. So proc result is nothing but a procedure result. So validate it. The expression is validated and click on OK. So go to target. The target we are taking the connection. Select T underscore EMP. Click on OK. Truncate and target. So before that we have to truncate this table. So there is no data is stored. So go to the field mapping. So which is a connected one expression, that's why you are getting all the information. Auto smart map. Then in the place of We are getting O underscore salary in the manager's place. Click on save. Okay. Click on run. Go to my jobs. Close processing, which is unconnected one. With the expression transformation, we can achieve this unconnected lookup and unconnected stored procedure. We have seen that in the expression transformation with the lookup concept. So the 107 was processed. So we see in the target table, select star from T underscore employees. So with the same way, we can get the connected and unconnected. So this SQL transformation, sometimes it has more values since it go and hit the database result. If we have millions of values, it will take a lot of context switching. Like every time it go to the database and it will bring the return the data to Informatica. In that way, it will do switching. This is called as context switching. And if you have more data, it will take more time. For that case, you can go for lookup catch. Okay. For that case, we're going to go for the lookup catch. We will create with the joiner, or you can create it. Because sometimes it will taking longer time. In that case, you try with the SQL transformation. So these are vice versa we can do. So it is not only replacement, it is mainly used for creating and passing SQL statement midstream of the pipeline. So which is used for midstream of the pipeline. For example, anywhere in the pipeline, I have to execute the SQL queries in the database as we use in the by using SQL transformation. This is regarding SQL transformation. Okay, please subscribe and like. Thank you.